Hey, welcome back to the channel everyone, where I post helpful yet entertaining video weekly. Well, in today's episode, guys, is sponsored by Beri-Backer. Beri-Backer is a small company in the United States specializing in designing and manufacturing ground effects for the VW Golf R and some other VW products. Anyways, guys, I'll be unboxing this product in front of me, and stay tuned. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm pretty much excited to be back in our regular programming. Probably some of you guys know I was on vacation for a couple of weeks and did some traveling, road trip with my family, and just to unwind and spend time with the family a little bit and just to take a break in general. So anyways, guys, I'll be unboxing this product here and show you guys what I have in here. Yeah, I'm very excited. It took a while to actually receive this product because there's a bit of delay on the manufacturing, and so glad that they were able to send it to me here. Here we go, the moment of truth. Some bubble wrap. It looks pretty good. Like, I mean, look at this. Quite a packaging. So I'm not sure exactly which ones is this. This could be the diffuser, could be the splitter for the front. Sorry, let me just put this on the side here for now. Right. So we got possibly our different versions of the actual fins. Set aside here for now. And another box underneath here. There we go. So let's put that aside. Let's put this in here and see each one of these boxes and see what they are exactly. Again, guys, very impressive packaging, I would say. Here we go. Well, I'll probably just put it in this manner here so you guys can see exactly what I have. Oh, this is probably the front lip. One beauty thing about Beri-Backer, basically, guys, is that they are, again, they're modular, so that means that they are not in one piece, so they're in different pieces, so it's a lot easier to actually package, and at the same time, by having it easier to package, it costs a lot less from the shipping point of view, in turn savings for you as well. That's why the prices are pretty inexpensive. They're around $200 US, and check their website out, basically. So let me just, okay. There you go. So we got here's our bolts and nuts. This is probably for the side splitter. For the side of the front splitter, and then the bigger parts of the bigger portion of the splitter here. So it probably goes. There's this two-level, brace, and then these two basically are on both sides of the splitter here, going this way. So, and the other one goes on the other way. So that's going to be how that will be, like this. So I'll do the full install, guys. The idea here is that I'll be doing the full install of this and show you guys exactly how it's done in the process. So you don't miss out on anything, any other details. Let me put everything back here to protect it so we don't scratch any of this product. Beautifully done. Product is solid so far. They're no way flimsy whatsoever. So let's open the other products. So yeah, Beri-Backer. I don't know if I'm mispronouncing the name, but I like to call it Beri-Backer. So you can call it whichever way you want. And the beauty thing again about Beri-Backer is they do come with different types of the fins, so you can pretty much mix and match the different fins, and you can never, you know, get bored that way. If you don't want the way it looks at a certain point, you can always switch, and there's different types. And oh, and one other thing, guys, thank you so much for your participation in the social media phase on when I posted the different types of fins. I will also reveal in this video what was the votes are like, or the poll, and what you guys have chosen. Whichever is the most popular votes, then I might start off with that for this install, and in the long run I'll be switching those fins. Nice. Here are the products, guys. There's the fin that comes with the package, and then there's other fins that you can also get in the process, different types, so you can you know, basically you know, change it once in a while. And again, this is probably the oh yeah, okay, here's the fins here. Again, we got a couple of stickers, and as well as the bolts that we need for this installation. So I believe this is for the side fins on the diffuser. There's two pieces here. Looks very nice. And here's the actual diffuser itself. It looks pretty sturdy, nicely constructed. Yeah, can't really wait, guys. The bolts are nicely, you know, nicely done. And yeah, stay tuned for the full installation and review on this product. So far, I'm excited and interested in getting this done ASAP. Yeah, I might as well show you guys the other types of fins. There's 4 of them. It's hard to tell you, it's hard to show you guys exactly what the different fins are. So this one here is the it's called the FF1, I believe. This is the fin 1. And as you can see here, guys, it just tapers this way a little bit. Probably sticks out and tapers away. And then the second one, I'll do the fin 2 first. This is the fin 1. Here's the FF2. This is the one that's kind of sticks down this way. Yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of this one here, but hey, just to mix it all up, it's not a bad option to have. That's two. Our fin 3. Here's our fin 3 looking like. And the fourth one technically is the one that came with the package here. And I believe this is the one that I'm kind of leaning towards at this point. And a lot of you guys, I believe, also chose this one. So I gotta check out the pull there quickly. And yeah, this is the one that's a little bit, you know, it sticks out a little bit, but it's a lot tapered or less angle in the rear there. So yeah, so that's the one that we will probably try and install in the process. Well, anyways, guys, I can't wait to get this going and install it into our Golf there. And so, yeah, stay tuned and we'll have some fun. Hey, thanks for watching part 1 of 3 of this episode. Anyways, guys, if you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button. And at the same time, guys, don't forget to ring that bell so you can get notified for all the videos I have going forward. So anyways, guys, until next time, watch the next 2 episodes coming up. And again, as usual, peace out.